Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Vidyut Yog. In this video, we'll discuss how to find Scopus-indexed journal list. Also, we'll cover how to check if the specific journal is Scopus-indexed or not. So before starting the video, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. Many students for their academic required, like during their master degree or during their pursuing their PhD degree, they need to publish the paper in Scopus index journals. But right now in the market, the situation is that many website on their website official platform, they show that the journal is Scopus indexed. But if we are going to check on from the Scopus source list, those journals are not Scopus indexed. To avoid such situation, whenever you are going to publish your research paper or you are going to submit your research data for to any journal for the publication purpose, you must need to take care that you have to confirm whether that journal is Scopus index or not. But many students or teachers are not aware about the procedure how to find this whether the specific journal is Scopus indexed or not. Also, right now many universities making it mandatory for their faculties to publish their journal in the to publish their paper in the Scopus index journal for regular increment process. So when you are going to publish your research paper, it is better to confirm whether it is Scopus index or not. Or if you are going to publish the research paper, at that time you should be eligible to find the journals, Scopus index journals, which are available related to that particular area or particular domain. So what is the procedure for that? So first of all, go to the Google platform and write down or open the website www.scopus.com. Okay, then on the official website on the Scopus platform, there is the option of subject area, title, publisher, ISSN. Then there is the option of enter ISSN or ISSNs and find the sources. So first of all, if you want to download the journal Scopus journal list which contain all the journal list, then what you need to do, just go to this option, download Scopus source list. So here you can obtain the list of all the Scopus index journals. So once we click on the download Scopus source list, there is another two options. You have to click on the first option, that is download the Scopus source titles list. So once we click, then it will navigate to the another page, that is elsewhere.com. So just scroll below on this page and at the end you will find this option like download the source title list. Now in bracket they have already mentioned that this list contain the information of journals which are discontinued from the source list also. That means it gives the list of journals which are currently active in on Scopus platform, as well as those journals which were discontinued from the source list. So just click on this option, download the source title list. Then the list of all the journals, Scopus journals, will be downloaded. So we'll open this downloaded file. Once we open this file, you will get the list of all the source index journal list. Okay, So what information you will get from the downloaded file? So for that purpose, we'll open this file. Like it contains the list of all the journals, which includes the details of source record ID, that is source means journal, so journal ID, then source title, that is journal title, ISSN and EISSN number of that journal, and here they have mentioned whether that journal is active or inactive. So right now, for example, the first journal, that is at GRS, it shows the active status. That means right now this journal is active in the source list. So just take care that whenever you are going to submit the research paper for any journal, it should show the active status. If it is inactive, that means that journal either it is inactive or it was previously Scopus indexed, but right now that that is inactive, or it is not Scopus indexed. And don't make the mistake of submitting your research data or for the publication in such journals. Okay, apart from that, they have given the year of coverage. That means, for example, this particular journal, Skin Research, it was indexed in the Scopus from 1959 to 2001. So this is the actually year. So it was Scopus index up to the 2001, but after that it was discontinued from the Scopus course list, Scopus source list. Now another information they have also given, like title discontinued by Scopus, then article language. Okay, so and remaining information is also given, like article is press included, added to the list July 2026, what is the source type, whether it is journal, then title history indication, related title 1, other related title 2. But mostly you have to focus on the two parameters, that is apart from the source title, source ID, ISSN number, EISSN number, you need to confirm whether it is Scopus index or not, that is whether it is having the active or inactive status. And second point, in some cases it was observed that few students published their research paper, and that paper published in the English language, but since it was clone journal, when we check on the Scopus source list, actually that journal only published the paper in the Japanese language. So make sure that whenever you are going to submit your research paper, you need to confirm the language also, because what happened, there are the few clone journals which show the same ISSN number and EISSN number, but the language is different. So to avoid such situation also, you need to confirm whether the journal is Scopus indexed or not. Okay, so I hope it is helpful. Then another information they have given, accepted titles in July 2026. That means these are the journals which are currently accepted in the Scopus list. Okay, or these are accepted in the Scopus list in the July 2026. Then discontinued title July 2026. So in some cases it is observed that few journals which were removed recently from the Scopus list, they do not publish such information on their official website, but they accept the money, they publish their research paper, and once we publish the paper, we get the idea that actually those journals were removed from the Scopus list, and that's why those published papers will not be indexed to your Scopus profile. So make sure that don't make such a mistake. Whenever you are going to submit the research paper, at that time initially you need to confirm whether it is Scopus index or not. Apart from that, there is another list, that is serial conference proceeding with profile, then all conference proceeding, then more information midline, then ASGC classification codes. So such information is given. So till now we have discussed how to find out the Scopus source list, okay, from the official website. Now there is another one question that suppose you are having the idea about one particular journal, or you have chosen the particular journal for research publication. How you will find whether it is currently in Scopus list or not? So for that purpose, we'll take the two example. First example we'll consider for the journal which is currently active in the Scopus source list. So whenever you want to find the status of any journal, you should have the information about the title or publisher or ISSN of that journal. So first of all, we'll select, suppose you want to search by the title, then you need to type the title of that journal. For example, suppose we'll consider the journal name 2D materials. So here you need to select the title of the journal, then type the title and click on the find sources. Okay, so it is here they have given information that no sources were found. Now we'll search the journal by the EISSN number. So suppose what I will do, I will click the EISSN number. So I will select the ISSN number here. I will enter the ISSN number and I will click on the find sources. Then it shows that no sources were found. Okay, now we'll select another example. For example, 3D printing in machine. The journal title is 3D printing in machine. So we'll click on the title, we'll enter the title and we'll click on the find sources. Then it shows that that journal is not available. So what you can do, you can select the ISSN number for any journal. For example, suppose I will select the ISSN number of this journal. I will select ISSN. I will click on the ISSN number and I will click on the find sources. Just a minute. Go to the ISSN number, then enter ISSN number and sources. Yes. Once we select the ISSN number, we enter the ISSN number and click on the find sources. It shows that journal name. For example, here we have selected the @grh source title. Now once you click on this journal, so as per the downloaded information, this journal is active. We'll see the again here source details. So in case of the source details, it will give us the idea like year currently covered by the Scopus from 2023 to 2024, and also it was discontinued for the 2025, but right now in the 2026 it is active. Then publisher name is Association Francophone Jason this relation humans. Then ISSN number is given, EISSN number is given, and source type is journal. So in such way you can confirm whether the journal is active or not. Now we'll see any example of inactive journal. For example, this second journal is inactive. So what I will do, I will select the ISSN number of such journal. Now I will click on the search. Then okay, in case of the sources, I will select the ISSN number. Then I will type the ISSN number. I will ask about the find sources. The journal name is here, that is Skin Research. Once we click on this, it shows that the year currently covered by the Scopus is from 1959 to 2001. That means this journal is not active in 2026. Or it also gives the information in bracket coverage discontinued in Scopus. Other information is given like publisher, ISSN number, subject area, source type, etc. So from which you can confirm that this journal is not in Scopus index, Scopus not currently active in the Scopus source list, and you have to take care that do not submit the research paper for such journals. Also, in few cases it is observed that we submit the research paper, then we get the email or the telephonic information that your paper has been accepted in the Scopus Index journal and you need to make the payment. So don't make any quick decision in such situation. First of all, with cool mind situation, first of all confirm whether that index is in Scopus source list or not, and after that then you can once you get the confirmation that that journal is in Scopus source list, then only you can do the payment for the further publication procedure. So thus, in conclusion, in this video we have discussed how to find the Scopus index journal list that you can download from the official source of the Scopus website. And second part, we have discussed that how to check if the specific journal is Scopus index or not. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any doubt apart from this, you can comment. I will try to reply to those queries. So before going to end this video, again I repeat, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.